Okay, so hope good guys, hope nikrend.
Yeah,
Khona
yeah.
la market theater
Mm.
sekuvele nje ngayiphotha phezu kwabhuti lawo umlungisi wet word.
Yeah,
Mfethu
yeah.
kucela nje ukubuza futhi kusela ama-hour amabili before ngihambe against depression and anxiety.
Mm.
You know my campaign.
Yeah, my brother.
Mental health campaign.
Mm.
So mawuze igama elithi depression what comes in your mind?
Depression is an oppression of who you are or who you should be, in the sense that if we're not busy, because all of us we have four things, which is opportunities, talent, body, and gifts. Talent ungaphila ngayo to a certain degree. After a certain time, it dies out. And gift into uyibizelwe, because I love it. Uyibizelwe. It's as if in the word there's the word zelwe, like uzalelwe yours. So it's as if you are not connected to that, unfortunately, who you are is suppressed. Who you should be, who you are, what you are called for is suppressed, and it will burn you. You will have chest pains. You will have dizziness because you won't be satisfied wherever you are, because you are not connected to the rooting of why you are here. And that for me is depression. It's very heightenedly spiritual, and unfortunately now we have science to debate with. We have maybe psychology, study of human behavior and so on, and we have African spirituality, but we also have
Yeah.
Eurocentric spirituality in terms of other elements and whatsoever, and all of those things can contribute towards that. That when you finally fall, because you will fall, whether your mind disappoints you, like your body betrays you, because you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing with all of these things. As a result, you will have the world telling you where to do, where to be, whatsoever. Hence, you will find Omunye, we will toss a few months later, again, akasafuna uthwasa, usekaya kuphi kuphi, uyozama nakhona. But it's not there. Everything that you need is inside of you. That is why even when your parents leave you as a child, uzawukhula, you will have people who will play the mother and father principle, and chances are you will become something really great in life, even though they are not there. So it means everything that you need is inside of you. When you are there, it will show up to you. So for me, and I think I said a lot of things, but yeah.
But and
Yeah.
indlela ebenga ukuthi vele clear and I think izolapha abantu abaningi.
Yeah,
And nami as I'm speaking to you now, like
Mm.
ngiyalapheka kancane.
Yeah.
Because into ebuhlungu kakhulu ukuba nenkinga ongayazi ukuthi yini. Because
Mm.
awukwazi ukusizakala if nenkinga yakho nawe yazi.
Yeah, my brother.
Ngiyabonga
Yeah,
kakhulu.
yeah. And I'm entitled to my own opinion, and of course I have the resources that I would have quoted. ukuthi le ngiyithola kuphi, le ngiyithola kuphi. Kodwa nami on my journey of understanding who I am and being reconnected to who I'm supposed to be here according to the Creator. I have learned a lot of things, but I'm also still learning, and I'm eager to learn many other things. But more than any other thing, I think it's meaningful and valuable for each one of us. Unfortunately, no one will allow you to be that. Unfortunately, because sometimes you're coming against certain things or whatsoever. However, it is important for you to find a way wherever you are in a short space, even if it's in the shower or in the little house that you are. Because sometimes we want to do it in stadium when we are successful, but it starts where you are, within yourself. Within a shower, how do you speak to yourself? How do you address? Because when you are speaking to yourself, but you are speaking to many people who have come before you, who have contributed towards who you are, who are going to meet you. So you are speaking to a lot of people as much as you're coming as one, but there are many thousands of with you. So it's a question of how do you speak, including Umdad. So when you speak to yourself, you are speaking to Umdad. So what words do you use? What constructions? What's your mannerism? What is your attitude? What is your all of that? Because all of that speaks to what will happen and what will not happen. And it's very tricky, and Nami ingondo yami, because I'm still trying to find it or understand my position in it. It's not easy to use the same mind that is lost to find yourself. But Yeah, yeah, siyabonga. Kuhambe kahle nawe futhi. What you doing is really meaningful, my
ngiyabonga
brother.
kakhulu because
Yeah,
uma ngeke
yeah,
ngihlale la ekamereni but bethu
yeah,
understand
yeah, my
kube
brother.
right endlini
Yeah.
yonke into ibe sharp.
Siyabonga, my
Thanks,
brother.
Khehla
Thank you
Labo.
very much,
Siyabonga
Wambe kahle.
kakhulu.
Hey,
Sharp,
tada, my
yeah,
brother.
ngiyabonga.
Thank you. Futhi.